In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an event title in Calendly. Maybe you've set up a meeting and need a more descriptive title, or perhaps you simply want a refresh. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process quickly and easily. Let's start by navigating to calendly.com. Once you're there, find the login option. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Before you go any further, make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're already logged in, you can skip ahead, but if not, let's go through these initial steps. Click on Log Into, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After entering it, click Continue. Next, you'll need to input your password. After typing in your password, proceed by clicking Continue once more. This action will take you to your Calendly dashboard. Now, you're on the Calendly homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your events. Take a moment to scan through your existing event types. You may have multiple events lined up, but for today, let's focus on the one specific event title that you want to change. Once you've identified it, look for the gear icon right next to the event name. This small icon is your gateway to editing the event details. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled Edit. After clicking Edit, your event settings will open, revealing several fields that you can modify. Look for the event name field. This is where you'll make your desired changes. Click into the event name field to begin editing. You'll want to delete the current title. Be careful as you do this to ensure you don't accidentally modify any other settings. Once the current name is cleared, go ahead and type in the new event title you have in mind. Double check your spelling and the formatting to ensure everything looks just right. Finally, it's time to save your changes. Look towards the bottom of the screen for the Save Changes button. Click this button to finalize your update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your event title in Calendly. With these changes saved, you can return to your main dashboard and marvel at the nice new title glistening in your event list. Always take a moment to verify everything looks correct, so you're all set for your next engagement. If there are any hiccups or you need to adjust again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and have a great time organizing your events with Calendly.